Welcome to Circular Race Academy. Today topic is differentiation. So first we discuss the definition of the differentiation. What is the definition? Rate of change of a function. That is called a differentiation of a function. So in the differentiation and rate of change of a function. That is called a differentiation of a function. So first we discuss what is the meaning of the rate of change. So change of a function. So functions lo changes. Functions lo emuntayi manaki function is denoted by y equal to f of x. Single variable function means it's denoted by, for example, y equal to f of x. So in a function what we have? Changes of a function means function is y equal to f of x. Function lo emuntayi ikkada manaki x on y means x and y are variables. Function lo emuntayi ikkada x and y are variables. So functions lo undedi enti manaki variables. In this one is dependent variable and another one is independent variable. Oka variable dependent ga untundi, oka variable independent ga untundi. For example, y equal to x square for all x belongs to n means x equal to 1, y equal to 1 square, we get the 1. X equal to 2, y equal to 2 square, we get the 4. X equal to 3, y equal to 3 square, we get the 9. Means clearly y depending on x value submit chesthe manaku y value vastundi ikkada. So what is that meaning? Y is depending on x. So x is independent variable. Y is dependent variable. Independent variable. So y is dependent variable. X is independent variable. Y is dependent variable. So changes of a function, changes of variables means changes of function means changes of variable. So how to get the changes in x? 4 minus 1 means that is 3. How to get the changes in x? 2 minus 1, we get the 1. So for example, this is y2, this is y1 means we get the y2 minus y1. So this is x2, this is x1 means how to get the 1? That is x2 minus x1. So changes in y is y2 minus y1. Changes in x, that is x2 minus x1. So these are changes. Changes of a function means we have the two changes, that is y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Next, rate of change. Rate means ratio. Ratio of changes. Write the ratio. Ratio means a by b. That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the ratio of changes of a function. Functions lo emuntayi x and y variables. So what lo changes ela find out chestam? Y lo change means y2 minus y1. X lo changes means x2 minus x1. దాని యొక్క రేట్ ఎంత? y2 minus y1 by rate means ratio y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Already we know this formula. ఏంటిది? This is the slope. So simply we say rate of change is nothing but a slope. So this is not a new topic. Differentiation is not a new topic. This is a slope. Slope of the function. Slope of the function is called a differentiation of a function. So for the y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 we can find by using this formula we can find the only constant slope, but variable slope we cannot find by using this formula. Slopes means we have the constant slopes and the variable slopes. By using this formula we can find only constant slopes. We cannot find the variable slopes. So by using the differentiation we can find the variable slope. So how to find the variable slope means we discuss here. So we take the one function, ఒక curve, y equal to f of x అనే కర్వ్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేసేయండి. దిస్ ఈస్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ ఏ పాయింట్స్, ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ కర్వ్ అట్ 2 పాయింట్స్ a and b. y equal to f of x అనేది one curve and this is one straight line L intersect the curve at 2 points. L intersect the curve at 2 points a and b. So ఏదైనా ఒక లైన్ intersecting the curve means a line which intersects the curve is secant line, a line which touches the curve is tangent line. ఏదైనా ఒక కర్వ్ని ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేస్తూ పోతే దాన్ని సెకండ్ లైన్ అంటాము. ఏదైనా ఒక లైన్ టచ్ చేస్తూ పోతే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ tangent line. But this is intersect the curve, so this is a secant line. So first point discuss the a. Input is x, so output is input x అయితే ఏమవుతుంది, అవుట్పుట్ y ఈక్వల్ this is y value. This is x, this is y. Y means f of x. Next we go to this one. We adding some increment of x. X ko increment add chesayandi. For example, x equal to 1 aithe we take the 1.1, 1.2. This is nearest point to the x. So that's why we can adding x plus delta x. So x ko increment add chesam. That is x plus delta x. Appudu b point em avutundi. This is x plus delta x. So what is y? Y equal to f of x. So this is x plus delta x means what is y? Replace x by x means f of x. X plus delta x means we get f of x plus delta x. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. What is the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So in this one, what is y2? F of x plus delta x minus f of x by x2 minus x1 means what is x2? X plus delta x. X1 means x minus x cancel. So what we get? F of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. This is the slope of the second line. This is slope of the second line. But we want slope of the tangent line. మనకు వచ్చిన స్లోప్ ఏంటిది? సెకండ్ లైన్ స్లోప్. బట్ వీ వాంట్ ద స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ ద tangent line. Slope of the tangent line. So tangent line means it touches the curve. Tangent line is nothing but a line which touches the curve is called a tangent line. So touch the line means at a point A we have the tangent line, a line which touches the curve, that is called a tangent line. So how to get the tangent line? How to get the tangent line from the second line? How to get the tangent line from the second line means when it is possible. So this is possible only, that is A equal to B. So second line నుంచి మనం tangent line డ్రా చేయాలంటే A equal to B అయినప్పుడు మాత్రం మనకు tangent line పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. So how to get the A equal to B means what we adding the increment delta x. If delta x is equal to 0, if delta x మనం 0 గానే చేస్తే, if delta x 0 means we get the only x plus 0 x. X means this point. So secant line మనం tangent line కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఏంటి? If A equal to, when A equal to B, when secant line is converted to tangent line. So 2 points are equal out, we get the tangent line. So how to get the A equal to B means if delta x, what we adding? Here delta x is adding. So that's why if what we adding means delta x, if delta x is equal to 0, delta x గాని మనం 0 చేయగలిగితే we get the A equal to B. A equal to B means we get the only 1 point. 1 point means line touch the curve at only 1 point, that is a tangent line. That slope is called, that slope of the function is called a differentiation of a function. So we get the delta x tends to 0. So A equal to B కావాలంటే delta x 0 చేయాలి మనం. So delta x 0 means if delta x approaches to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. So this slope is called slope of tangent. This is slope of the secant line. This is slope of the tangent line. Slope of the tangent line. Slope of the tangent line of the function y equal to f of x at a point A is called a differentiation of a function. This is denoted by dy by dx. This is denoted by dy by dx or f dash of x or y dash or y dash. So therefore dy by dx equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. This is also denoted by f dash of x or y dash. So this is called first principle of differentiation. This is called first principle of differentiation. So how to get the dy by dx? From slope. So how to get the dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to slope. So dy by dx is nothing but a slope. Dy by dx equal to slope. Dy by dx equal to slope. So the slope of the tangent line, slope of the tangent line of the curve y equal to f of x at a point x equal to a is called a differentiation of a function. So geometrical meaning of dy by dx. Geometrical meaning of dy by dx means slope of tangent line. slope of tangent line of the function y equal to f of x at a point x equal to a. So what is the meaning of the geometrical meaning, most important, geometrical meaning of dy by dx. Geometrical meaning of dy by dx యొక్క geometrical meaning ఏంటి? Geometrical meaning is slope of the tangent line. Slope of the tangent line of the curve y equal to f of x at a point x equal to a. That is the geometrical meaning of dy by dx. So differentiation is nothing but a slope. Means here we can find the all constant slopes and variable slopes. Here we can find. This is the differentiation. And how to get the slope means by using the first principle of differentiation means limit dy by limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. In some textbooks you can write here limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Both are same. Here write the delta x, here write the h only. Both are same formulas. Some textbooks write in this formula, some textbooks write in this one. Here increment is take the delta x, here increment take h only. So this is the first principle of differentiation. So how to find the slope means we discuss the one question. So for example, y equal to sin x, y equal to x, y equal to x. He asking what is dy by dx, means what is the slope of the function. Here f of x equal to x, he asking what is dy by dx. So, but we know the only one formula for the dy by dx. What is the dy by dx? Limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. So limit delta x tends to 0. What is f of x plus delta x? F of x means x. So f of x plus delta x, what do you get the x plus delta x means? Replace x by x plus delta x. That is x plus delta x. So x plus delta x, f of x means x by delta x. Plus x minus x cancel. So limit delta x tends to 0. We get the delta x by delta x means we get the 1. Cancel, we get the value 1. So y equal to x, dy by dx equal to 1. So how to get this 1 means by using the first principle of differentiation, we get the 1. The similar same one, for example, y equal to sin x. So what is the dy by dx? Means dy by dx equal to what is the formula? Limit delta x tends to 0. So here f of x is sin x. F of x plus delta x, that is sin of x plus delta x. X plus delta x. So what is the sin of f of x formula? F of x plus delta x means sin of x plus delta x minus what is f of x? Sin x by delta x. If substituting delta x tends to 0, we get the x plus 0 means x, sin x minus sin x 0, delta x is 0 means 0 by 0, that is undefined form. That's why we go to another way. So we can applying the properties of trigonometry. So we get the sin c minus sin d. This is in the form sin c minus sin d. మనం డైరెక్ట్ లిమిట్ సబ్మిట్ చేస్తే మనకు 0 by 0 అన్డిఫైన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో we try to the another way. మనకు ట్రిగనామెట్రీలో ఈ ఫామ్ sin c minus sin d ఫామ్లో ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. సో 2 cos c అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ మనకి x plus delta x plus x by 2. sin c minus d by 2 అంటే ఏంటి x plus delta x minus x by 2 by delta x plus x minus x cancel. Limit delta x tends to 0 cos of x plus x 2x plus delta x by 2 into sin of delta x by 2. Delta x ఉంది 2ని కిందికి తీసుకురండి, we get the by 2 sin delta x by 2 by delta x by 2. Limit f into g means limit f into limit g. Limit delta x tends to 0 cos of 2x plus delta x by 2 into limit delta x tends to 0 sin of delta x by 2 by delta x by 2. So sin theta by theta. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, we get the 1. So in this one we get the 1. Delta x tends to 0 means cos of 2x plus by 2 into that is 1. 2 to cancel, we get the cos x. dy by dx equal to cos x. Y equal to sin x means dy by dx equal to cos x. So how to get the derivative of sin x cos means, according to the first principle of differentiation, we get the derivative of sin x is cos x. So remaining formulas, derivative of cos is minus sin, derivative of tan x is secant square x, derivative of cot x is minus cosine. We can write the formulas. So by using the first principle of differentiation, what is the first principle of differentiation? First principle of differentiation means, that is dy by dx equal to limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. By using this formula, you can find the all formulas. First write the trigonometry formulas. Derivative of sin x, what we get? Cos x. Derivative of cos x, what we get? Minus sin x. Derivative of tan x, what we get? Secant square x. Derivative of cot x, what we get? Minus cosecant square x. Derivative of secant x, what we get? Secant x into tan x. Derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x. Minus cosecant x into cot x. By using this formula, you can find all these. You can substitute f of x equal to x means, what we get? Dy by dx, we get the cos x. F of x equal to cos x means, what we get? Dy by dx equal to minus sin x. F of x equal to tan x means, what we get? Dy by dx equal to secant square x. F of x equal to cot x means, what we get? Dy by dx minus cosecant square x. Dy by dx, f of x equal to secant x means, what is the dy by dx? Secant x into tan x. F of x equal to cosecant x, we get the minus cosecant x into cot x. These are trigonometry. Next, inverse trigonometry. D by dx of sin inverse x, 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of cos inverse x, minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse x, that is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of secant inverse x, 1 by mod x into under root of x square minus 1. D by dx of cosecant inverse x, that is minus 1 by mod x into under root of x square minus 1. These are trigonometry, inverse trigonometry. Next we go to hyperbolic functions. Hyperbolic function means derivative of sin hx, that is cos hx. D by dx of cos hx, here plus sin hx. D by dx of tan hx, secant h square x. D by dx of cot hx, minus cosecant h square x. D by dx of secant hx, minus secant hx into tan hx. D by dx of cosecant hx, minus cosecant hx into cot hx. So these are hyperbolic functions. Next, inverse hyperbolic, we discuss the only 3 formulas. Here enough for only 3. Derivative of sin h inverse x, 1 by under root of 1 plus x square. D by dx of cos h inverse x, 1 by under root of x square minus 1. D by dx of tan h inverse x, that is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. 3 formulas enough for the inverse hyperbolic functions. So these are trigonometry, inverse trigonometry, hyperbolic and inverse hyperbolic. Next, derivative of elementary functions. Derivatives of elementary functions means exponential, logarithmic, power function, algebraic functions. That is d by dx of x power n, n into x power n minus 1. D by dx of e power x, that is e power x. D by dx of a power x, that is a power x into log a. D by dx of log x, that is 1 by x. D by dx of constant k, that is 0. These are elementary functions: algebraic, exponential, power function, logarithmic function, constant function. So differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Differentiation of a power x equal to a power x into log a. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of constant is 0. So next, under u1 v rules, another important thing. u1 v rules. So first one, product rule. Product rule is u into v, means u into dv by dx, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is the u into v rule. Next, d by dx of u into v into w. u into v into w means du by dx. First write the differentiation of du by dx, v into w plus u into dv by dx into w plus u into v into dw by dx. This is u into v into w rule. Next one, u by v rule. Differentiation of u by v, d by dx of u by v. First v write down, v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. This is the u by. These all are important formulas from differentiation. Differentiation అనే టాపిక్ రావాలంటే మీకు కంపల్సరీ ఈ 20 formulas, 20 or 22 formulas. So these formulas are enough for the differentiation topic. So these are most important formulas. So these all are getting from first principle of differentiation. ఈ formulas అన్నీ మనకు వచ్చింది only first principle of differentiation. How to get this formula? How to get the derivative of sin inverse x 1 by under root of 1 minus x square means, according to the first principle of differentiation, we get the derivative of sin inverse x equal to 1 under root of 1 minus x square. How to get the derivative of tan x is secant square means, what we tell? According to the first principle of differentiation, we get the differentiation of tan x equal to secant square x. So total only formula, ఒక ఫార్ములాని యూజ్ చేసుకొని you can find the all these differentiation formulas. So these 20 or 20, these formulas are most important for the differentiation. These formulas are enough for the differentiation. Okay, we discuss some basic problems. You asking some fundamental questions. For example, y equal to x square. You asking what is dy by dx, means what is the dy by dx? X power 2. So x means x power 2 means we can apply the x power. Where we get that in the formula? Where we get the x power? ఈ ఫార్ములాలో మనం x పవర్ అని యూజ్ చేసే టర్మ్ ఎక్కడ? దిస్ ఇస్ x పవర్ n. ఇక్కడ ఈ పవర్ x ఇస్ దేర్. ఇక్కడ x అనేది పవర్లో ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఏ పవర్ x, బట్ మనకు కావాల్సింది x పవర్ 2. x అనేది బేస్లో ఉంది, xలో బేస్లో ఉండేది ఏంటి? ఓన్లీ x పవర్ n. సో ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ n ఇంటూ x పవర్ n మైనస్ 1. సో దీనికి సూటబుల్ ఫార్ములా x పవర్ 2 అంటే x పవర్ n. So what is the formula? n into x power n minus 1. What is the value of n? 2. 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 2x. This is the formula of x power. y equal to 2 power x. y equal to 2 power x. Power x ఉండేది అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి e power x, a power x. We want dy by dx, but value function is 2 power x. పవర్లో ఉండేది 2 ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి. ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్లో మనం మ్యాచ్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేది ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఆర్ ఏ పవర్ ఎక్స్. ఈ పవర్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్